Welcome to my channel. ChatGPT, OpenAI, Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning. ये ChatGPT, OpenAI, Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning आखिर यह सारी चीजें हैं क्या? आप लोग देख रहे होंगे आजकल यह सारी चीजें बहुत चल रही है। Nowadays, they all are in demand. इस वीडियो में हम आपको यह सारी चीजें बताएंगे तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखना। ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI that uses deep learning techniques to understand and generate human-like language. It is a generative model that can produce human-like responses to a given input, such as a question or a prompt. ChatGPT is designed to have a wide range of potential applications, including chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to develop chatbots that can have conversations with humans in a natural and intuitive way. Text summarization. ChatGPT can be used to summarize long pieces of text, such as news articles or research papers, into shorter, more digestible summaries. Question answering. ChatGPT can be used to answer questions posed by users in a natural language format, similar to how a human might respond. Content generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate content such as news articles, blog posts, or social media posts based on a given topic or prompt. Overall, ChatGPT has the potential to be a powerful tool for natural language processing and has already been used in a variety of applications to improve communication and efficiency. ChatGPT is an example of a language model that uses AI to understand and generate human-like language. It is trained on vast amounts of data to learn the patterns and structures of natural language, and can be used for a variety of applications, including language translation, conversation, and text summarization. OpenAI. OpenAI was founded in 2015 by a group of high-profile tech leaders, including Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, John Schulman, and Wojciech Zaremba, with the goal of promoting and developing friendly AI for the betterment of humanity. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as reasoning, problem-solving, decision-making, and learning. AI systems can be designed to operate in a wide range of environments and contexts, and can be programmed to perform specific tasks or adapt to new situations based on data and feedback. AI can be broadly categorized into two types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks, such as image recognition or natural language processing, while general AI is designed to have the ability to learn and perform a wide range of tasks, similar to humans. Some common uses of AI include automation. AI can be used to automate tasks that are repetitive or require a high level of precision, such as manufacturing, data entry, or quality control. Personalization. AI can be used to personalize experiences for users, such as recommending products or services based on their preferences or behavior. Decision-making. AI can be used to assist in decision-making by analyzing data and providing insights, such as in medical diagnosis or financial forecasting. Natural language processing. AI can be used to process and understand natural language, such as in voice assistants or chatbots. Autonomous systems. AI can be used to develop autonomous systems, such as self-driving cars or drones, that can operate without human intervention. Overall, AI has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries and fields, and is already being used in many applications to improve efficiency, productivity, and accuracy. Machine learning. Machine learning, milliliter, is a subfield of artificial intelligence, AI, that focuses on enabling machines to learn and make decisions based on data. The goal of machine learning is to develop algorithms and models that can automatically learn patterns and relationships in data, without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms use statistical techniques to identify patterns in data and use those patterns to make predictions or decisions about new data. Machine learning is used in a wide range of applications, including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, recommendation systems, fraud detection, and predictive maintenance. Machine learning algorithms can analyze large volumes of data to identify patterns and trends that would be difficult or impossible for humans to detect, and can be used to automate many tasks and decision-making processes. आशा करता हूँ आपको यह सारी चीजें समझ आ गई होगी। अगर आपके लिए यह वीडियो हेल्पफुल रही तो वीडियो को लाइक करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।